Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have created a login page. So let us see how exactly we can go and perform the next page. Okay, we can go and perform operations on a next page. So the next page here is a home page. You need to create a home page wherein which you need to define these locators. So let's go back to this particular page objects. So where is this page objects? Here is the page objects where the home page.ts. Okay, home page.ts file that I have created. And again, here we need to import it. So these are the basic things that are common. So I just copied this import statement from my previous program and I just placed it here. And also the class name should be of an export and read only the page is a mandatory thing. And I'm not using this locator. Okay, I'm not using this locator as of now. The constructor, and this is the constructor that we have defined. That's it. I just defined the basic content here. Okay, if you look at it, let me close this. Okay, if you look at it, basically what we have done is I just created a simple ATS file where you have created a class with an export home page and it's read only that particular page fixer and we are dealing with it. Now, as part of this particular home page, you need to define the add to cart logo, side menu, and a logout. So where we have all these locators, guys, if you remember the end-to-end test that we have created, it does has the locators for everything, right? It does has the locators for everything in this particular class itself. So we can copy paste these locators and we can use it. By default, my Copilot will prompt me all these locators. We can directly accept it. So here, as part of the home page, you need to define. Let me come back to the application home page. Okay, as part of the application home page, you need to define add to cart logo. These are the two things. So let us define these two locators first. So here, read only. Okay, add to cart button. Okay, add to cart button. This is a locator. And then there is a cart logo, which is a locator. That's it. These are the two locators that you have defined. Okay, add to cart and a cart logo. So these two are used to add a product to the cart. Okay, so here this dot add to cart button, my copilot is prompting me that, and of course this dot cart logo, my copilot is prompting me that as well. I just accepted those things in the constructor. Now here async add a product to cart. Okay, add a product to the cart. That's what I have selected this method name. And the logic that we need to do is you need to call this add to cart button and the cart logo. So I'm just accepting my suggestions, whatever my copilot is prompting. Okay, so here add to cart button and then await a cart logo also. We just need to add it. So if you observe, guys, we just added a product to the cart. We just added a product to the cart as part of the home page. After adding the product, we will be moving back, and once at the last screen upon clicking on a back to home, you are coming back where you will be clicking on a side menu and you are clicking on a logout button. So here, as part of the home page, you need to click on a side menu and you need to click on a logout button. There are two more locators are there. So here, read only, here side menu button, which is a locator, and a logout locator I have defined there. And now here I need to pass on those values. This is the locator for side menu, this is a locator for my logout button. So guys, if you observe, I'm simply using a tab operation. My copilot is performing these actions for me. Okay, perfectly all right. And now here I need to write down a logic that will be logging out from the application. Again, my copilot is suggesting me the name. I'm just accepting it, and here it's suggesting me the code as well. I just accepted it. And if you look at the code, whatever the copilot has suggested us, okay, if you look at the code for the logout, see here, this is clicking on a side menu, wait for few seconds, log out, and then wait for few seconds. Perfectly all right. So my home page is in a good shape right now. Now, whatever the home page that you have created, you need to use this home page in this particular file. Okay, you need to use this home page in this spec file. Before that, you need to import that particular home page. So here, import that particular home page, and I just accepted my copilot suggestions, and then before closing the application, okay, here we need to create an instance to the home page. So here my copilot is suggesting me that there is a suggestion. Okay, so if you look at it, create an instance to the home page, add a product to the cart, and then a logout. That's what my copilot is suggesting me. Just accepting that suggestion, guys. Okay, just accepting that particular suggestion. Okay, perfectly all right. Now let me save it. Let me try to run that script and check it out whether it is performing this whole operation or not. It should perform a login into the application, and after performing a login, it should click on an add to cart logo, and here it should perform a logout operation and wait for a few seconds and close the browser instance. Perfectly all right. This action also performed successfully, which is the home page. Okay, my home page is also performed successfully. I just highlighted it. So as part of the next session, we will be looking at this your cart page and as well as a your info page, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.